Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. Are you Richard Mamela Mene? Ajo, Kabel Kesinene.
Oh man, that's okay. We're not taking calls yet, but we're going to take calls. Sorry. I'm watching the eyes. We're going to hit up soon as we get people on. We're going to hit it up. Please don't call now. You call later. Call later, please. Later. Please. All right. We're sorry. We just started getting calls now. People only call when we want them to call. I hope we can get this music back, and so that we have to enjoy this music to the end. You enjoy and you share, okay? Oh, so. No, we have to be taking your calls so the phone can be on silence, you know. Hey, you have to invite friends. You share, you invite friends. I only start talking when I have 1,000 people watching straight up. So we can do it. We can call people around because it's a very strong message today. It's just a day to 11 February. A lot of things should be happening, and the UN is manual. I mean, like physically, it's not a joke. And I'll bring you that news, and you'll be calling in to give you your own points. And so you share, you invite friends, and then while you're here, you begin to type free Sisi Kwayok Tabe Julius and co free our president and other leaders. So when you come in, you invite friends so that we can build a platform, we can get the number of people we want, and then we can start the show, you know. Thank you guys very much. Today, it's a very special show. I call it special because we'll be talking extensively about the visit of the UN to Manfi and how the SGO has gone panicking. So Umde Joseph is in really big trouble. So you invite friends so that we can get the show right out there to everybody. We know we're going to be starting the next 5 minutes, so stay tuned. Sure. My voice is going to be very loud today, you know. Hey, this music, so a special dedication for all man for Ground Zero. Yeah, so all man for Ground Zero do want a very special dedication. You know, this title of this music, you know, but they go play. I don't play here about the second or third time this and now Sisiko Ayok Tabe music for doing the informant as a Sisiko for Wele village. So Almighty join, please. One, get the momentum. You share, you invite friends. We'll talk exclusively today about the UN visit for Manu. Be very important, and we'll also send out some very strong message from the Manu Diaspora Advisory Committee, and you know, we'll talk a couple of things and about something they will talk. We talk about XXXX what they do reporting when people they report. I hope my volume be good. They get me right. 5 on 5. Oh, I hope my volume is good. I'm going to hit on soon. I think we're building the platform. Is going on well, you know. Today a lot of activities a day, so we try to get everything. Okay, thank you, Martin Henry. Thank you so much. You say my volume be okay. So today there's some very special show because you know tomorrow 11 February, and you know UN Day Manu since Thursday. And I don't talk with a lot of chiefs them on the ground, and I don't talk with insiders them as concerning that UN visit. So I could bring up for Southern Cameroon, so that I give our own ideas. You know, UN need to know what will happen. And so I talk this start this program today with Pigeon because I want to meet all man here. So you get for share, you invite friends, me meet them for Ground Zero, meet all man here because you know tomorrow do some small thing the way some people they plan for doing for 11 February way. I'm out there picking them in so that all man will keep himself. You know, for house, it be very important. Do want to be propaganda and news, what they call and say surveillance, now survivor journalism, where you must give people information, me save them instead of get the bigger casualty. So for any man, why did my volume be okay? Then Prince Roland say my volume not be okay. Why? Anybody watch this show for each viewer, you get for share them so that me all man come on board. We need all man for be on board so that we will get the message clean and clear. And I also talk about. The issue for this contribution, what they do online, where my brother Mark don't start, I will talk a little bit about them. I will talk about some other guys for Spain where they get some very important program where they come up today, immediately after my show, that program will come up, and then all right, my volume okay. Thank you very much. So I also talk about the motorbikes and where they don't ban them for Manu. So today we talk plenty things them for this one show, and I just 1 hour we will take call. I know I may pass 1 hour because I know say protest day for DC today. I'll read all that thing. I'll give all man information, and you know it's very important at this time. So I want the momentum. When I share, invite friends, and we'll talk this thing. And I want to talk say shame for SDO for Manu. So finally, it shake, it back chiefs them. Now shame for SDO because I don't see UN for Manu. All my watch from Manfe go know which I talk say UN be the Manfe yesterday, Thursday, and the second mission they see that around. They do small interview for quarter. So at the passing message from Manu people, then particularly if you watch them for Manu, you share, you invite your friends and say. When I get to tell you and on a mind, I know say administration they try to disturb me, people not talk, they hold me to chiefs them for try to convince people. So you know. All right, thank you, Hope Ashu. We're going to follow up, you know, in bits, and so we'll talk the real issue as soon as people don't come online. We get quite an impressive number, you know, people come to go, and a lot of people they be busy today, Saturday. You know, tomorrow, 11 February, and United Nations not just come down for nothing. So I want me Oman watch and invite friends and share. While you join, you get one key message, because we must start our campaign for free our leaders and right online. And meanwhile, I want to congratulate the acting interim president for a wonderful speech yesterday. I follow him very closely. It'd be so wonderful. And today, now a very special program for me. After I recover from my cold or Qatar, if you like, I think I'll be very happy. Sorry for the way I replied their messages. I'm very late. You know, that because, you know, Qatar not easy for look phone. You know, now some kind of allergy when they go phone, where they want overlook phone. Also, you take on a live calls and today. So if you join in, you share, then you type, first and foremost, you type free Siseko, Ayok Tabe, Jilos, and team. Everybody will come in, make a type. We'll talk all even about that funding issue for Ground Zero. And I'll be very objective for everything I want to talk just as usual. So when you come in, you type free Siseko, Ayok Tabe, Jilos, free our president, La Republic, free our president. It'll be important because, you know, a lot of international organizations, they monitor some of we activities online. And now I will talk about the reporting of news using XX. I'll turn whether it be right or correct, because a lot of people don't draw that one to my attention. Okay, I will start first and foremost. Me Oman listen. The one concern Oman. Yes, sure. Yes, we'll talk about refugees and for Nigeria too. So I'll talk about a couple of things for this program. So when you come, you invite friends and you invite everybody for come on board. You share and invite friends. For each viewer, we need to get that share. We need to get the like for encourage. We need to get you guys sending the message out there, because the issue not be say we want me the message go because we want me known. And so one time we create impact for our society. And the reason that why all my come online need for share, you know, and it be very important. Free Siseko Ayok Tabe Julius campaign. Now I for DC today, and I always start for South Africa everywhere. We get for free because we get for fight for free our leaders. If not, we're not going to only talk. And then we know even for type message for say free our leader only type, and that will be very important. While we're doing that, I will ask any man one question. So you type that one as many times as possible. Now, the one question I want to ask you say, now which village or which villages they don't be most affected for this struggle where the unborn houses kill people? If you type any battle and you know say Ezio for man, you don't do and President Biya is soldiers, and so you attack them for the now mami happy for Kwakwa or you attack Kwakwa, attack Kembong. You put hashtag for those villages, because it be important. So when you do all of that, thank you very much. When you do all of that, you definitely, say don't send a very strong message. So today is a special show, and when you come in, me people, some people they write me inbox. I'll be very happy. Some people they select for share post because say, oh, the man a person maybe you not like it, you share post. For example, me I share all activities I post. Whether on a map, on a tapang, on a akusin, on a whoever, they share all the posts for my WhatsApp contacts, and we do write up a lot of times. So it'd be important for share this post, and because you're not going to select activists for share posts, especially when the person they talk to it impact the struggle. We'll therefore be very this issue not be about who you follow, now about the fact say you get the mind of freeing Southern Cameroon. So when people don't take a lesson a personal issue, and I think that I'm gonna make sure that today I will move some people then out of that kind of cycle for say this thing have become a person because you follow IG or you follow Ayabacho or you follow Akwanga. No, not be the thing that so I will talk a lot about all these things then, because a lot of people they don't miss track. I will talk about the most important thing why they show on the UN visit for Manu. I will talk almost in 20 minutes from now, so that will be the platform. But I want to start the first things first. What I want to talk now, I will talk for the next 5 minutes or 7 minutes. When you join, you share now about some very important thing. Why I will talk about that one, I'm going to make this few announcements where they don't come in for me. It be a privilege, it be important, because I like me anytime they promote the struggle, we must give out for listeners or for viewers before we talk about the UN visit for Manu. As I talk, UN Day Manu. So I'll get them now. I must see that. Okay, so the one just coming from Dr. Nick Santos, where he talk about going live top of the hour. Agenda is rally everyone. Oh, that's why he was writing to me. I just screenshot and save them so that Okay, we rally everyone to step out for the Ambazonian protest at 11 a.m. today. Today, anybody ready for the DMV? DMV now the Washington, D.C., Virginia, and Maryland area, metro area, now why they call it DMV. So if you are around DMV today, you therefore make sure say at 11 a.m., which is just in 2 hours from now or thereabout. No, less than 2 hours. Yeah, you therefore make sure say you there for that protest today. The venue now 2349 Massachusetts Avenue, Northwest Washington, D.C., and of course the zip code. 20008, that's 2008, now the zip code that. So you got to make sure so you did any person waiting for the Washington D.C. area. Not forget the protest today for 11 a.m. I'll give you the address. The address now 2349 Massachusetts Avenue, Northwest Washington D.C., Northwest D.C. And of course, thank very much our psychoanalyst for the revolution, Dr. Nick Santos, who is an IG spokesperson for the Washington, D.C., Maryland, Virginia area. So please, if you're there for the area, make sure you're out for that particular protest today. God bless you. I'll read them once more. Don't forget, I'll still take this thing today. All my stay for the Washington, D.C. area. I will get this very important protest where, all man get forgotten at 11 a.m. and don't forget about that. So we will start that protest for 11 a.m. for the venue now 2349 Massachusetts Avenue, Northwest Washington, D.C. So where you get that, but I think that will be enough. The zip code be important, but anyway, that's great. And then this other very important announcement, where they come up from this my friend from Spain. I get the announcement first before I announce it for now. They get program where will come immediately after my program. I think I will give you opportunity to call in so that I will explain them for now, and we will get all of that fact. So I will do any other announcement. Anyone want to do, I will send them for my WhatsApp. Anyway, I will encourage the struggle. That's why we are here, to make sure that we make sure we take all man for Boya. So yes, you're right, Amber man. There's too much politics in the IG. There's too much politics in the AGC. There's too much politics everywhere, and that's a thing that we have to talk about, and we have to look at the way forward. No man is upon no man. IG not be perfect. AGC not be perfect. Even the reboot conference that they bring out not be perfect. But I will talk all my mind about what I feel about each of these things, and I'll give my own reason and objective proposal for Southern Cameroonians to follow. Okay. One most important thing now we'll talk before we get to the UN visit from Manu. Now the issue the way all I don't notice and say some new thing don't come when they report news. They write XX as name for some community or for some area where some event happen. Okay. I will talk about I want to listen very carefully. It'll be very important for all Southern Cameroon and this particular issue for XXXX. I don't talk with some activists in inbox, but I don't talk with all man when you use them because it not be possible to talk all man. So now this kind of live show where some person can take the message or another might use that XX. I want to talk say the use of XXX for report news. At some point they even come from my word, they go say, oh, why you call names them? My tell are very clean and clear with all objectivity, not before show pride, but say when you use news, you write XXX. When I listen very well Ambazonians, it be completely wrong. Now the worst thing for do we're not there for we need to do now. You're not there for ground where you go. You're not there for so not be language where you code them. You didn't for report for social media for expose things that they happen. And no way no they use XXX for two major reasons. The use of XXX get for report for social media. Once you don't show the report as an activist, they get complete all through a disadvantage. You not get no advantage for report XXX, and I will explain why. I will use just 2 or 3 reasons. I will explain it all man understand. So me no man no put me no Southern Cameroon no report anything with XXX. XXX not exist for reporting. It be completely wrong for two important reasons or probably 3 reasons. Number 1 reason now for local and international documentation. I want to listen very well. Nothing that exists like XXX for news. Number 1 reason for local and international documentation. That's what I mean. So we activists the way international organization they follow we, or lawyer from Nigeria they follow about Sisiko case, or Amnesty International or UN they follow we. They need to take no report we call XXX serious. And you know XXX they don't really impression a fake thing because activists will use XXX they will write on Twitter a fake thing, use XXX on play not happen to do propaganda we not help the struggle. So XXX not get for exist. I mean no man officer not before condemn any activity. Now important to Southern Cameroon and need for no. You know, the world is watching, just like some person don't talk. So you know if the report you use XXX not exist for document for archive. You get you know talk some not play not for map for the world XXX. Identity be important for crisis management and crisis reporting. You know, if you report anything for because if Amnesty International won't quote you or BBC or CNN, they don't even look report like XXX. So XX is not the exist. If the key man for Kembong talks to the key man for Kembong, name the quarter, like I did one for most of my reporting. It be very important. Will not be the report you use XXX, please. You not get no advantage. Some people they talk say I'll come for security side. Well, I will reach it very soon. XXX be completely wrong for archive. Where one look news for 10 years ago, you know the XXX will be completely vague. You don't know where to define and people will come from 10 years ago where the crisis don't finish. You don't understand which community be XXX. So XXX now the wrong way for reporting. Most starting Cameroon they copy and fix it because they want to say oh now for security. No security, no, they not get no advantage. Now 0% advantage, disadvantage, and 100%. So for documentation and international and local documentation reason, XXX not therefore exist. Any report XXX for me, particularly I need to take any report. Not a fake way some man don't create and the right time. That's the first thing. Number second, you can say surveillance. That's survival journalism, survival of the fittest. You know if you report XXX for some village because I will give you small example. I'm going to listen very attentively. There's small example. I say take for example for place like village like Kembong where that incident will happen. Or Kwakwa village is a neighboring village like Kombone. You get Bole and all those villages around. You know if you report XXX because if something happen for Kwakwa, you know if you talk about XXX. Every evening some person unknown fighter key soldier. You get for say the one key soldier for Kwakwa. If you want to report about soldier or say some incident happen for Kwakwa, okay, why the report now for survivor for the other neighboring villages? Because you don't really know say La Republic go ever get information, whether which time they will come and you get for alert the other person where probably won't drive into Kwakwa or the ride machine to Kwakwa. I mean no say trouble there for Kwakwa. You what you call XXX, it go come instead go die and die, you know go know something happen for Kwakwa. So you not be the report XXX, the PC, the help community. You instead take you not be protect two people there the key soldier. Past 5,000 or 10,000 people around that neighborhood. And the point I say, be too poor because some person can lecture for Facebook for your post, you not be professional because you call them for village. How you go copy wrong thing, you can't compare to a professional writer. Maybe too poor. So you not be report XXX because of surveillance reason for political survivor. XXX is not the exist. If something happen for Kwakwa, report it out for Kwakwa, it will give that news authenticity and it will help for make sure international organization the copy, it will help the next man for the next village for take precaution. It will help man abroad where they follow that news for no say, hey, something happen in my village. Man call find out that my mommy they find. Half of my papa, half of my sister, they oh now so now come up for you and go this side. Take for example when something happen for Agbokem, German and the rest of the areas that they drive for they go Nigeria. Even not be called the name for that village. So man go there America, you know say mommy they Nigeria. Some person they don't come and say, oh, now because of report from news, so you see, mommy, I will find way to move him, bring her for some safer place from Nigeria. So the point I say XXX not the exist. Me no man no report anything about XXX. Then XXX now fake. It simply give room for some activism for some people then for not create fake news for say, oh, don't keep 20 people them for XXX so that maybe if you can do what you ever no, but that is not supposed to happen. We have to talk the truth and then we'll shame the devil once in a while. XXX doesn't exist in reporting. When I move down from my head, say, oh, now because you want to protect who? First of all, those guys, the unknown men, because I don't know why they attack, they go shoot 2 gendarmes. Any place go shoot 2 gendarmes. Some backup, they need shoot gendarmes for instead of office killer. Or if you shoot gendarmes for Kwakwa or for Kembong, you don't shoot, okay, tell them you shoot 4 gendarmes for Kembong killer. How we don't know. Now, because the gendarme can start attack, now we'll start getting the report. Because gendarme pose already, so man will call for backup. Even the villagers themselves, person they will report for gendarme when I sell out, he must ever do for any community. That they clear. So he must report so that we make sure say the person way the day for the neighboring village. Me not run instead enter for arm's way. If something happen for Bamenda, some person video for Bamenda for up station, he not know say something they happen for Commercial Avenue. They report says XXX. If he drive from Commercial Avenue come, he go simply come now can enter that shop. Maybe they'll kill that person. Whereas if you don't report say, oh, it is so for Commercial Avenue now so the thing happen. Any man take time. Might you come out from Bafu for come Bamenda, he no come again. Might you come out Commercial Avenue for come Bamenda for come out up station for come Bamenda no come. Might you come out for travelers for Tuakum. Might you come out for Bali. You know go come because you know say trouble there Bamenda. You must report give people them precision in terms of the mapping so that any man say if avoid for come Bamenda motor fit turn back for Batibo because no one can put man for shock. Now the reason that why you get for report you call village. If you look most often for my reporting, I make sure I go in depth by giving you the boundaries and the towns where they bound those areas. So that you will be sure say any idea for Kikai come for Kejoke come or whatever around, you know, the person not go, enter into problem. It be very important. I think the one or two must ever know about reporting XXX not exist, please. And also more example I say like the incident happened for Kembong, they kill one guy when he come out a well for junction on bike because nobody know. So yeah, you don't tell for they shoot kill him. to type that one of those people that got attacked, but it was never him. But if we get idea, we get reports say, oh, they attack for Kembong, all man stay house. You know, for Kembong, they can't Kembong, they can't kill you for good. So there is nothing like XXX, you know. So it be very important. Somebody's talking about revealing confidential information. I don't know. Exactly, Mactabi, it's either you are reporting or you stay quiet. There is nothing, you need really no confidential information by reporting that something happened for this place. Why the report you get for report? Reporting must make sure say it meet up the total and effective use of the 5 W's and H. 5 W's and H now waiting. Now who, where, why, what, and what is it? 5? Yeah. Who, where, why, what, and when. And then the 1H, now how. So when this incident happened, it happened on Thursday. It happened for outside for Kembong. Why? Because a gendarme killed civilian. How he killed, he shoot or gun. So he must answer all that in that international community. They take you know, offense. You know if you talk for UN, you know if you go do presentation for UN. You want cite Eric Tato a post. According to Eric Tato, 2 civilians were killed in XXX. What is XXX? How you go to do citation XXX? You know, so the point I say a lot of people they get for, you know. No, we need to talk particularly about UN. Whether you go for any presentation, you won't do citation. You must cite with a lot of facts. Date. On this date, this one killed this person. Do one do this? Do one do that? Do one do this? So XXX exists. If you get report, your report must get date. It must be dated. It must be dated. Because, of course, Facebook is automatic date. If you post something today, you say, as I write, the next day, person the read and when I did day, how many hours we don't go by. Fine for always put the date. Say Thursday on this day, January, if possible, time where you get the report. You put all those things. It assists international organization for equate the authenticity for your news. So, you know, now I'm coming to the UN story place. That's why I started, so I will build a platform. So once you get that particular point, it remains very important. No report anything about XXX. No any report about XXX be fake. We don't get incidents from pathway. People don't report say the key 20 people for a cock or the key 50 people for Sanagarati or the key people for the play will not ever happen. So if you mind say people they feel live on name for village, how much now with it play when XXX? So it doesn't exist. We don't talk about it. I think we are done about that. XXX is wrong. It has no advantage. You take a small community like Kendem has villages like Beme. It has quarters and all of that. If something happens to a particular quarter, I get for announce. I mean, any man for that surrounding area, I may take note. So I think I'm done with that. Thank you very much. Please, if you join, you share, you invite friends, and then you type free our leaders, free Sese Kwayu, free Excellency Sese Kwayu Cabbage Julius. Now, I'll go now for the UN story. Before I will end by talking about, you know, the IG and the Reboot Conference. I'll talk briefly because when the Reboot Conference come up, I'm not giving my own opinion. I will talk what I think about that conference, you know. So, now, on Thursday, my very reliable source, I want to talk with at least between 12 and 20 chiefs and for Manu. Especially those from Manfe Central say, UNBD Manu on Thursday. When I listen very carefully, and one concern Manu, especially refugees. You know, say Rene Sadi and Okala Belai, they just come out Nigeria for this transborder meeting where they were on Nigeria authorities. And from personal information I get of person attend that meeting, I say Rene Sadi lie say those people that were Nigeria not be refugees. You listen now for them now he say Cameroon, I will be happy because God always punish them. Rene Sadi lie say for inside talk say those people that you see and so for Nigeria not be refugees. Now people that you run, you know, for classic political asylum because for some reason they will not understand it, deny for classify them as refugees. Okay, now the UN not stupid. If he talks now, make sure the Nigerian government make the poor that stay who are refugees that stay very difficult for Nigeria. But UN come on Thursday UN be Manfe Town, Friday, and they talk for a lot of chiefs them. And I will get that information. I say no, we go find for come live so that we go talk so that people they get the information widely. I will see do story on that particular aspect. Now UN go me to SDO, and before that, if they say SDO don't get, I guess say UN they come, it don't go beg chiefs them. Me chiefs they go beg refugees and me they come back. Why UN come Manu? UN come Manu, the interview people never get what it happened. But SDO they try to block people, then make sure say you said don't close circulation or bikes because of 11 February. I'll talk about all of those things. Now the UN are dating If they interview people, then say, Mami, now listen, Mami from Manfe, Manu, and the rest. I take special note for this two I want to talk. Because now on a life, and now on a die, when I go find out, if I go against what I talk. I know we got, but I feel what I want to talk, I talk, because I don't get nothing for gain. Now just for make sure you get the truth. Now, the UN camp can ask SGO, say, you know the one time really picking the comeback. Because you see the letter where SGO be saying at that time, so we drive for them. You and get that letter. Say when I don't want to immediately picking the comeback from Nigeria, when I don't put it in place for make sure say immediately picking the comeback and not get any problem. Then SGO say no, all things they find, they don't talk with chiefs, them chiefs don't promise or go bring them. So man, you chiefs them won't listen and refugees them won't listen. You and come them upon a good, although you ended the way it did. But we ever know say administration are very bad and cunning people, administrators them. So if you dare be refugees, refugee from Nigeria, don't tell say UN was there for your sake. But not ever come back from Manu. Except you say interim government, you say come back. You end up, and una won't talk for UN, una go back, una go write, or give una addresses them, una write extensively, explain for UN anything will be happen, una show pictures of Kembong. Now the time the way we definitely get for put pressure because Cameroon government don't confuse. People don't know the government is completely confused. They not be ever win for the fight. No matter the because international organizations don't enter, they don't need to act accordingly. So, chiefs them for Manu. Make no man no go from any delegation because yesterday they will do delegation, but go beg that picking them they come back from Cameroon. Refugees are one that they listen. You and don't come, so they wait now for you na reaction. If you not come back today, please una share this thing with Oman get them. If you not come back, mission don't spoil this struggle. I mean the refugees if not for die from Nigeria, una better die in the beggar of Nigeria. Any man will come back of Manu, una don't spoil this struggle. Una leave those villages they're completely empty. I mean like empty, like say the village are empty. So SGO they did now for big pressure because they don't cause some serious humanitarian problem. That is documentation and so now people they use them. They don't cause humanitarian problem where themselves they not feel handle the trouble. So me refugees not come back. UN was in Manfe on Thursday, Friday, and they have talked to chiefs, and those chiefs have talked to me. Many of them have talked to them. And they in complete support the fact that refugees they remain back. Imagine chiefs and for their village. Same one not come because now for fool now for coming a queue now. You see to where Manu Diaspora Advisory Committee don't write about Mengo. When Mengo they come for they can contribute rice. I mean 200 bag rice for 52,000 people. It means one man no get up to one glass rice. I mean say Mengo they come out here they can give one man less than 50 francs if you put them mathematically. So una make sure say any man wey get refugee from Nigeria when a brother or a sister, please share this post and tell them say me Eric Tato I don't talk to me and not come back for no one eye reason. Manu dan say you come out from Nigeria as refugee come from Manfe now oh Manu. And you see they see people them for Tato for Kwakwa the bomb combone the other day after Kwakwa the bomb combone they destroy Kembong they keep people the Kajifu. Dan say you come out from Nigeria as refugee come from Manu. Listen me very well. Better ask Nigerian government say who side they keep Ebola patients them. You go meet Ebola for them. Better I die. Let's say you get Ebola than for come because Manu was past Ebola. So do not come there. That's my division, my county. And I tell you say the death trap Ezra don't set up on a too big. And I want refugees on and hold this fight because refugees them. Una pressure against Nigerian government and the UN, it be enormous. Una don't mind say they don't extradite our leaders from Nigeria, they don't catch our leaders of Cameroon. That will not be any problem. No matter what it happen, una remember saying una still get this fight. As we don't create that refugee plan, we will definitely make sure say UN would continue to see the crisis. We want, in fact, if some more 8,000 people una move go Nigeria, move be 60,000. When that don't reach, una they will cost an international crisis. Now I see SGO I don't come out so. Mengo, you never see Mengo can't talk say they start people. You ever see Mengo? He come out like he be Wusef. You ever see Mengo can't talk say oh Muna come oh stop this. Mengo come because they say pressure there for presidency. Now mind you what we beer so they know the problem they get our presidency because of one in Nigeria. They not be the key people. You see they cut my neck. Cameroon get La Republique don't cause the highest. Me say the glorious as in GORIOUS, the most glorious picture for the history of mankind when it comes to genocidal corona for Cameroon. Not only for Cameroon, I see the born person alive for a house. And for Cameroon, I see how the key person give dog chop. Not only for Cameroon, not only beyond make I see how the whole human being so cut in neck like cow. And the fear for suicide they cut cow. So please, any man make sure say refugees on a stay for Nigeria. The most important thing too, at the talk to me sound come not so say I don't move, I don't leak secret. Now surveillance. Mommy and Papa, they will keep on in the house for 11 February. You see what happened for Bamenda that day for Commercial Avenue. Boys and day way, if not any man for uniform, we shall not be student. So me know that one. That's what will happen for 11 February. Not be sick. Make sure some people they stay house. Any man go for fee because they don't get message. I don't know the people they send my WhatsApp number. They live. If they live for all monthly copy, and so I don't know who they send me message. When they send message, they need to introduce themselves, and I read them because the message will come out clear from my head. They don't talk say 11 February. They need to worry about big people. They go fee administration. They key na student. They are picking the way they go fee. When they shoot, they need shoot na SGO the time. Now picking way disobey the order. Say no go for 11 February. I talk na message. I not me. I talk some the key man. I talk na two. I read them. And then WhatsApp contact people. They listen them. Send them. It my WhatsApp the all side. So we now make sure say. Make no man no go fee for our own good. When I talk, when it will happen, they'll say, why not be talk? I don't really talk them. Say, any go fee, anything happen, where we go only write and say, they don't keep 2 or 10 picking for man. Of course, I will defend man forget the news with picture. I will post and where this trip now, I go a bit against my practice for the post hard picture that they post them. So we will make sure say that particular part of 11 February be completely, absolutely boycotted. We don't want anything about 11 February. At the talk and say, boys and they don't ride me. Say they go better key students them for make sure say 11 February no hold. Every people not even there they won't key people. Why you go hold 11 February they unlock Sisiko only that way all will like him. All money cry because of Sisiko. All money cry because they suffer or they go through. Why you won't go hold 11 February? Now question I want to ask you. So you go there, you get yourself to blame. I don't go talk nothing. I don't talk correct. Say anybody get hear me here. You know when you say a word is a wise is a word to a wise is enough. So any man who no make I go buy my mom psychical grammar. Mommy and Papa, they are not talk say, thing we man don't talk, now God talk and so on. Be careful, especially, for all the counties, 11 February not get for whole. If you join, you share before I'll continue this talk about refugees that I'll end on because I get less than 20 minutes. I don't want to talk long today, because protests come up for DC. And another important thing I will talk after this refugees and the UN visit from Manu. Say SGO now the back, if they down for you, the back cheap every day. Oh, Muna go back people pull them, they come back. Me not cheap, not tram. Refugees they say, now listen, and also want to watch me. If any chief, they say they will make commission where you get president for court, now good woman, not doubt. They'll get maybe Dio and few people them. When I talk was on chiefs them. The one of the chiefs on where they come for day for come Nigeria na Tabetando. Me come Manu, cash on and say they can't do now one. I mean say 52 people for 200 bag rice. Me say one man get less than one cup rice, 1 cup. I mean cup, not be up to the glass. So see the glass, it not rich. I mean that cup rice. You can't give them one cup rice for 52 people. They can't talk say don't go. You no, it's crazy. So the refugee of Nigeria, when I see any man you person there, what you do na say una throw water, mami una wash una pants them, una draws them no, una wash draws them. Una wash dirty water, una throw them for that product. No one a president for court, una any person will come for that delegation. Una right for self-defense because una assume say they need come for peace. Una get government go tell us una go back for money. So they come there, una throw them water for. I mean dirty water for beings. Me smell them well, put them for their skin. So now what you una get for do? Una make sure so una take the instruction. No 11 February, no refugee no come back because you and don't come there. The SGO no give satisfactory answer. If the back na chief, they come back una SGO. If SGO want a moon come, go and not he can. Me first sign document say he green say that document governor because I say na fake document. No, na he be sign and I say a mistake. Make he sign the document back say that na mistake. He don't beg moon come back. You know, we no worry about the document. Now hold that one thing, we keep all the proof. But for now, no man will come back for Cameroon. We get refugees. Refugees they all over. Not be only for Nigeria. Me they find the one for Gabon, the one for Ghana. Una for Nigeria, una first stay, una rest. Una no. Thank you, my brother them. Another thing I want to talk now while we close the show because we're going to I don't talk about the use of XX where I will run that off for the end because the audience not quite build up. And then now I want to talk about IG. The IG, I have showed them at Kwanga. Now first time I talk about this thing because I don't interact with all the people with Bo Herbert, with Sisiko will be locked up now, our president. I don't interact with the new IG, the new AIP, Dr. Common Sense. I don't interact with Ayabacho. I don't all those people. I don't talk directly with them or on phone. With all humility and good people, them I thank them for the audience. They don't give me. They try to say, "I meet you one-on-one." Ayabacho, I meet you one-on-one. And I know I select say I support IG. Those when Sisiko get event, I go there. When Ayabacho get event, I don't go there. So I want to talk some Timmy all Southern Cameroonians a year. And one of my mind, and I will talk. I know be prophet of doom. But I go talk say, I see fine. Say this struggle go fail for one reason. I don't see how people that they don't plan for destroy this struggle. The first thing I say, Sisiko it matter about the arrest of a controversy. Person the way he send me WhatsApp message where I go publish and way they don't know about Sesoko matter since December. If they can keep them, or divide or talk with you, I will write that story. A lot of accusation there. I don't like she don't say I will write what you want to know, and I don't care about comment put the right of Facebook, and I will tell my own the way I feel say who fiction actually says can go. I will conclude on that one, and I will leave them for that two for conclude. The way to have been put about this IG, and I have a show that Reboot Conference and Bohebet. When I listen very well, starting come on them. IG get things they get for put in place. I need support IG, I need support about you. All that I interact with them, and I don't preach all my life for this struggle. I don't preach now about unity. I don't preach about unity, you know. Unity be very primordial. And all man listen very attentively. If I talk, if you be IG, you hate me down their business. Be I about you hate me down their business. I want to talk some very serious matter. See, this struggle not be about you or me. Now about 8 million people that were Southern Cameroons. Now about 52,000 refugees. So people they not go see this struggle. Like say, now issue way they don't take and they say if they not do something, no man not go for do them. No. I'll be happy yesterday with the president's speech, Dr. Common Sense. We talk about including everybody. It'll be very primordial. And for me, I support the Reboot Conference. Ayabacho, Akwanga, and Bohebe, they get right to organize conference. That one, I will go there if I be invited. Or even not because an open invitation. You know when they invite you. I'll go there. But not be political periodist for revolution. I want to talk particularly for Ayabacho, for Bohebe, for Akwanga. I respect Ayabacho a lot because I don't interact with him. I'm a good person. Now, nice gentleman, or they get his own temper as a warlord. Akwanga, I don't hear Akwanga talk. I don't talk with Bohebe one-on-one. I don't talk with him on phone for more than 2 hours about this issue. I don't talk with everybody as an activist. And I want to tell on my mind. And Southern Cameroon, if I listen, not listen. This struggle, immediately after we get any issue about another government, this struggle will collapse. At the top authoritatively, say if another government comes, this struggle will collapse. Because me, I need support no government. I need support IG. I'm not there for IG. I know everybody for IG. I don't take no position for any government. I know be about choice surrogate. I know be IG surrogate. I know be normal surrogate. I don't point out play with IG they wrong, whether Milan or whosoever. I don't bring it out very clearly. But this struggle is there at the verge of collapsing because people they feel say, I talk with due respect to Ayabacho, to Akwanga and the rest. I call their name for the first time. I never call them my live show. I don't read all comments. I read everything. Mark right, Tapan right, do one right, every acquisition, everybody. These are names you must call. You want to have a struggle, you must call Eric Tato, you must call Mark, you must call Tapa, you must call Ayabacho. People there, you must ever call them, Terea Popo and the rest. Sisiko, you must call them. Not be saying that, say, na pride, no. But we're not there for place or do politics again. I tell because I'll be so affected, I'll be so vexed because wait up on Manu. I get 52,000 my brothers there for Nigeria. The robot put them for robot, they won't go do conference. They can't go do conference for propose way forward. So I mean, telling government, say I think integrate them. We don't need another government at this time. I'm not the interim government person, but I don't need watch keenly. I do my contribution the way I have to do them. And not be something way. I not say, see, me on my way there for AGC when I'm a friend or for Akwanga or anybody. Me vex, but I want to tell them the truth. Say, if you know the truth, forget about the issue about life and morality. Not about who you support. If my woman do wrong thing, maybe I'm not going for public, but don't want to be issue for private talk. I will tell madam say, mommy, this is not correct. I tell my picking them. My picking of it attack to another picking for public and leave. I will beat it because of my picking. I will beat it and not support him. This thing not be issue again for say, would they for place for can make new government? We already show the world the highest way that the Republic will celebrate and now new government. And I want to get the conviction say, if people they form new government, me say they really get out now for make sure say that Republic celebrate. We need new government for which reason? That's what I want to ask. I want to ask you why we need new government. Why the people they want from the new government, they're not being idea. They want to all my own vote. So the Reboot Conference, how many thousand Cameroonians will vote if you want to talk about democracy? How many will vote? That's what I want to ask you. What is the difference between conference when we make new government and conclave? The difference between conclave and conference now waiting. Not all not be gathering. Why be so always take who be vote Mandela for South Africa? Where they be ever vote Mandela when? That's what I want to ask we. Time Mandela be lead South Africa state finally can come out please after 27 years. It go be a president. Who be voting? I want to beg my big brother Ayabacho, Akwanga, and the rest and Bohebe, and Tumpo Bohebe. Say, me then leave this thing. We don't go past the level for this struggle. We put the only fight for climb on top power. And they call the other man, he do long video, they attack Milan, or Milan do one, they attack the one, Jumba Crew do one, they attack the one. It's bullshit. Absolutely rubbish. For the time they keep, the only thing about their name. Anyway, I go for smoke and I do audio, send and Koshman not put name, do this. Now, what's kind of thing you're Southern Cameroons? They'll keep go burn pot and Kwakwa pot in not their house, Kembang pot in not their house. Don't kill you, them, educated pot for Kajifu. They keep put them all over. I only talk about government. Now, what kind of government? I want to know the kind of government I want for man. Now, government for which country? We don't make people talk to no and talk. We don't get a solid government way. Other communities they look, other international organizations they look for you know, for recognize you and only one go form on team. Now they take a day for news now, not be say we fight like Republic. Now say, oh, so new government don't come out, they fight IG. I don't know how on one call on our own. Until some person do video say they must form that government. I not be ever want to talk, but I be surprised say I get some audio say I about to say they must form something be all inclusive. Me, Eric Tato, are they completely, absolutely, with all my strength, all my fiber, my bones, are they against any other government? Not because say I stand by the policy of absolute neutrality and total and undiluted unity, not because my support for any of these groups will not be beneficial, but for the simple fact that you think about the fact that 8 million Southern Cameroonians and of course 52,000 refugees away, all na manipulated, it be more important than any group for this struggle. People get to understand that particular fact. It be completely egocentric. It shows self-centeredness for talk about any group else for this struggle. Listen, Southern Cameroonians, wake up, because we are going to fail at the creation of this struggle. I'm not talking on behalf of any group. I'm talking as a concerned Southern Cameroonian. I'll be vexed after I hear that audio say, Ayabacho talk say go be all inclusive. Ayabacho is a friend and a big brother. We share a lot of things, and I feel say be completely wrong. And I condemn him in my entirety. I don't talk like they pretend. I need fear no man for this struggle. I respect all man, and the first time I talk very, very hard so because it's too much. It's too much. Wait to be government. They Dr. Lees, Akwang, and the rest. Not come for okay. Ayok not there. Say go to jail. When they talk about protests, when I think about how we move Ayok, when I think about robot for go form conference. I began to come that comment because people be confined in me say that comment I just for talk other things, not for new government. I'm surprised they start talking about new government for the conference. So when I point being Ayok, when I wait, I don't understand. It's too much. It's too much. Southern Cameroonian, Ambazonians, when I listen very attentively, whether you support Akwanga or Ayaba, or all we would like for get self-defense. I want to understand. First of all, the self-defense be very ineffective. Because you know if you kill 2 soldiers, you won't go bush, you can't burn the whole village. You don't come back, can't defend the villagers. We not say yes, it cause problem, it cause like public panic, no doubt. But we got to re-strategize. And the time now. I don't think say at this age, at this time for this struggle, where it's a sick of almost 70% for going independent. Now we can't destroy and go back from crash from gear 1 because so my one be say they must call a president. Me I address Ambazonia. I get Ambazonia. On a fee say the new acting interim president, Dr. Sako Ekomi. Now say be the best Southern Cameroonian. No. Maybe now wisdom lead the poor, they be the appointee. Not tell me say who appoint Dr. Sako is not my friend. I've never known him. I just follow him on Facebook. I don't like him, but I accept the fact that they make him as president. So what? Okay, today they come and say, oh, I got to interview Dr. Sako, I give interview. Yeah, I go do him as a journalist. I don't care which channel they pass there. Now my job. I don't interview Ayaba. I don't go Ayaba meeting. I don't go Seseko meeting. I need support no man. So we have to stop this rubbish. I tell people for rebut say it be wrong for talk about any government at this time. We don't need no government, any more government. I talk from my heart, and that's how I feel. I not talk about because my objectivity. Once I get for die, and I say, man, I talk through that die. When I do all it, I never ask myself say. What's going to happen if we fail for getting independence? How someone will go back for Cameroon? What's going to happen with our investments for Cameroon? When I never ask myself this question, no, I'm asking you. Not be having we will talk for Facebook. All Maui and Southern Cameroonian. So far your name, no commander for friend zone. You are in danger. You're not even enter Cameroon. You can be killed at the airport if you get a green card or resident for some place. Put down for your head. See they catch people for Nigeria. We don't know how many one of our guys they claim to don't send them for some of we. We don't know whether someone who even get what we do transact. We don't know what will happen. I don't know what's going on. That's what I'm asking. Good, Pascal Z. Me say I support Ayaba. Ideas him. He get good initiatives. You know, just like Akwanga and the rest. Everybody I support everybody for this struggle. I never ever react. When John Bako talks about you, you never hear can't talk to them. They say John Bako. They say right. I always defend John Bako. Because you do the right thing. Every time all man climb for hate, and I'm where interim government the vex say John Bako now la Republic in a line, not la Republic. Talking about live video. So I blast interim government. So why you go for call John Bako because I tell you true. All man listen me very well. So there is nothing we have to talk about a new government. Me I have a choice to take this message home and me have a rethink. I call on Southern Cameroonian and them for use morality and the right sense of judgment. Say nothing, not less a new government will ever exist for serve we. I talk with all my strength and all the power I get in me. Say me, Eric Tato, I completely, with all my strength, I cancel the idea of a new government. If the other activities they get sense, they come under one umbrella. I don't start talking to him from day one when I start doing live video. I talk about the Ambazonian independent flight AI-1961. I talk about this flight, say, oh, we have to come on board, oh man. all man get for come on board. So now forget this all the rubbish about new government. I beg on my brother them. It's never going to work. Now, the first thing I say, if they won't call for dialogue, they'll call on which government? That's the first question. Ask yourself that question. Now interim government for they can't say IG for West could be former. Now the whole organization they know. BBC law report on interim government, CNN, Al Jazeera, all newspapers. You want to form with other government. So we go leave the fact that a report so they push ahead. Okay, the reports on new government don't count on project, they fight for them. No. So somebody like Dr. Lees or what, I don't know. I'll be so disappointed. So disappointed. See, you come on, you come on IG now because we want to form new government. Now we don't have for Brad Affair or for relay where some man running for play one thing and compete and no. It doesn't work like that. We're not have for some challenge game. I mean, big people they get for no say we don't pass the level. Listen, if you listen me, send this message to all those involved that the reboot conference should chart the way forward and propose to the interim government, and interim government make it all inclusive or include all people and give them position for share the work for the good of Southern Cameroon. Not before form another government. Never form another government. And I come Abacho go on live go say may not contribute some person. Why? Why not contribute some person? On the contrary, Southern Cameroon they get from move all their money for all angles. Put up one central fund and then for they start distributing. How I go first come say for live show for Facebook, they talk say one raise money for go give and pro them they go kill soldiers them. You didn't know we as terrorists. I don't ever talk that kind of thing. I don't talk that kind of thing. So when they raise money, then when I talk for bad when I want to do the money, no man will not when I want to do money for Facebook. So you cannot come on Facebook. You start to say the raise money for go give some people then me they buy bullet and the rest go kill people. When I want to preach about self-defense, and tell the way I not talk they say won't give now terrorists because when I give behind the right reason for call with terrorists. So I don't talk say no new government. Now my word that and I stand as a voice in this struggle, so I condemn them because it be against morality and against the 8 million poor Southern Cameroons. It be against the refugees. Ayabacho, comme Akwanga, Dr. Lees, comme Bell Herbert. Those are people who have never opened their mouth to talk about the refugees. But now don't cause the highest refugee problem for Manu. Why? Why it be so? Why it be so? It's not about standing with the IG. No. I deny that fact. It's not about standing with the IG. Not to say you stand with the IG. Not to say you will over some soldier for IG. I accept you. We deal with IG, but not be standing with the IG. The IG is not perfect in itself. The IG therefore include people. They therefore charge way forward. You know, we'll not see any need where we'll go to form new. We'll go to form new government. You know. Just a minute. Okay, I will take this call before I come back. Yes. We'll just take this call. Hello, my brother. How? Hello? Hello? Okay, no, I'll call you now. You can talk through my WhatsApp. I'll call you now because I don't officially pick that request. Yeah, I'll call you. I'll talk on live. I'll call you back. We'll just take the call before we conclude about we'll call our brother from Spain. Where the call we in for talk about the show will come up. Just 1 minute, they will conclude. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Eric.
Yeah, Don, just go ahead. You did live for show, so you'll tell people then what you want and then tell them time for follow and which Facebook page you follow. Go ahead. You remember I tell me I don't start some program where people they call for country talk and I see and say a lot of people they don't follow up for that way. So it'll be very important. So just tell me what you want.
Okay, this one an initiative from the interim government where we don't bring them up as we brought a Mark Barata. He do the service where he call us a service for every Sunday. So the interim government he don't bring up a show where he will show every Saturday we will call us a Ngumba show because we know say before the white man won't bring we God. We will don't believe with traditional people where they be the help with before the white man he won't come up with the God way all we would hail him today. Mm-hmm. So the show it being a show where we will come up, you go request you go talk for your country talk, you go talk which way you like for the struggle, and then you go salute the Ngumba people with anything we get for support the interim government make it work fine. You put hand for pocket because when you know say when you enter Isan Ngumba house, you give for show Ngumba say you don't salute you. So now just a show for say me will raise supporting again for support the interim government, for support the struggle, for say make the struggle it work fine. So the live show it will start immediately as where you go finish. For 4 p.m. it will start. Where the Facebook name na Don Pasho. Any man where it will follow, make it follow for Don Pasho. After when you don't talk everything you want leave, you request any traditional music from your zone where you
belong to, we will play them for you.
Yeah, so don't passionate DON then space PASHO. I will share that work. So I will share a message with me on my watch. Okay, Don, thank you so much.
Thank you too, Mr. Eric.
God bless you, brother. So, okay, now the idea that so before I run off, I want to talk. I don't some people then they talk about they insult people. Then listen, no man will be scammer for this struggle. The Tiwe Ayabacho and Akwanga don't put her in for this struggle. A lot of people know put her. They know people put her. The money I give them, they use them judiciously. I want to believe so. Or not they for give account. But I don't accept any man that can insult some person scammer and so on. Those people not be people they poor before. Now people they live abroad, they get their own personal money, but not take their money go do things they want to experiment they do. So not be some issue. No man not doing a scammer. Anything they do and they don't have the good of the struggle. My concern about whether they take money from where, but those are people that are using them. Okay, if you say about they come America, you go Norway, you go this side, and how they pay a flight. You know, he pay a flight or he get organization, they pay a flight, they spend the money for move around. Now they pay probably a flight. Probably are not be scammer in that sense, he pay a flight because the president the rule over it, but a thief man say don't thief our resources them. But I have a choice different. He do just the work we get for do. So please, me no man not insult any Southern Cameroonian. Don't parallel for insult people. We need all man for come together. Not be about insulting this man as scammer, this man. No. I don't ever tell people the severally. Even when Bala be see this struggle, when person insult Bala, I tell the person, no, not insult Bala. Not take struggle, insult people, their family. Ayabacho not be scammer. I stand on Ayabacho because I'm an honest man. I've talked with him. Akwanga, I don't know it very much, but I don't get it talk. Not be scammer either. Those people, they do their job. So me no man no insult person say because I don't talk and say the robot company not they find a problem. No, my idea not be about the pool and personality. Now about the idea they want to talk about the boat. You know, there is nothing there where it be important, but we will talk about this time. Don't forget a united government. You know, so all man can understand that particular fact. Say we need to be one. We need to be one as in one for win this fight. Not like an alternative government. Not like not follow another son. Ayabacho a follower. Na Akwanga a follower. Na Bonhebe a follower. Or na Moritz. Or na AIG. Or na Eric Tato a follower. Or na Mark. Or na Akos. Or na Tapang. Or na whoever. We not get that kind of thing. That kind of thing not ever exist. We not get that kind. Well, I think I get people that have a corner, but unfortunately, we not surely take no call again. So. We not get no particular thing for every now some man get some follower. This struggle will not be some special struggle. Now Southern Cameroons with the 5 Ambazonia. Ambazonia not be a name, not be my name, not be Abachoga Ambazonia, not be Sesiku, not be any person, not be even that 52,000 refugees from Nigeria. So we stop the kind of rubbish. We need to be united. And I don't talk say, and I go see talk say, and not support me. I have a the idea for new government. I support Ayabacho as a person. I support Akwanga as a person. Especially get the hope, the zeal, the energy, and even that mentality won't fight for liberate people. But we therefore should not go put correct approaches and for see who's one the right, who's one the wrong. We put that off the table and then we move on. So anything about formation of any new government, me are they absolutely and completely against them. Not because they support IG, because they think about 8 million people. They have caused confusion. Now cause confusion. Now they say La République, France, Nigeria, UN, AU, all they don't join against Okiwi and Bazonia and them. Instead of waiting for join as one for fight, now Maurix, AGC, Sokadev, Dr. Liz, the other man with the crown and Biechu we go do some video talk about Milan on our way to die anymore. And all them don't come together for key IG. It not be proper. We not be do the same thing way all that group they do against we. So please. Thank you very much. I think when I hear the Don Pash will go there live small time will follow you so that we get all these things straight. My live now I will ever tell the truth. For now on I just join now. I will talk about XXX say reporting about XXX be completely wrong because for two reasons. Say a lot of people don't say I put the report about XXX until some people they can say, oh, why not report the my report about XXX? Wait to be XXX. No international organization need to take anything about XXX serious. No report XXX reporting be wrong. I will talk about it just come on now. For two reasons. One, for documentation, local and international documentation. If you and the associate wait to be happen for the play, not me give some description to happen yesterday. You know you talk say for community XXX, you get to call the community name so that me international organization put them down. Some people they say now for security reasons, not to know about security because anything happen, La Republic will still know. Person for that village will still tell you. You report to for second surveillance for security reasons, for survival reasons. Say, man, we there for the neighboring village. Me know something that happen for the village. Me know anything wrong can enter for shock. So all of those reasons, we discard the reporting of XXX. It not be important. It be completely wrong. It not be journalistic. So until some point they can't tell me say, be I don't look at let's say they put the smoke expire weed. For can't tell me say the facts I report calls on name for them. Play me say I be unprofessional. I was like, what's going on? This guy is normal. So thank you very much. I will get after that. I will get interview with president, the acting interim president. I'll get interview. They tell me say go probably live for CBS or something. I don't know. I can't make that arrangement. I'll ask a lot of questions. And so if you get any question, one time I ask interim government. My WhatsApp number there. If you don't know my WhatsApp number, I go for my Facebook page. You'll see all my posts and now they get my WhatsApp number because I want to get an extensive WhatsApp family from National Telegraph. And then secondly, a lot of people complain for me say they not send me friend request again. Yes, now because say I don't pass my level for Facebook, I never get any friend request. So anybody watch this show, if you watch me now, you not get me as friend. Or if you don't send me friend request, I don't answer and because say my friend request don't flop. So simply go for my wall, just go click following so that if you join the rest of my followers them, so that when show come you'll simply see them. So thank you very much. I will end today. Me Don Pash will come up. And then not forget say this thing, some man the only one call, one talk something. I'll surely take one last call. Wow. Not forget say today, yes, ma take this my brother from Sweden. Hello. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, please, just a moment, if I could reiterate your point.
Yes, just 1 minute because the end the show don't pass you to come online. 1 minute, bro. Go ahead.
Yes. I just want to reiterate the point where you talk. I wonder whether the people they see the importance of what you have said. You have just said a lot of important things about unity, about those. Me, when I look my brother them on their own, they not be military people, they not be supposed to be strategic.
Yes.
The IG now the most powerful thing will not ever happen for this struggle.
Mm-hmm.
And now, like you talk, we get France, we get Chad, we get Cameroon, La Republique, we get Nigeria. Those are 4 powers. If we not get a united front, and we know, we talk something about the advances go wrong with the IG don't make up. Nobody say any man apostle for IG or anything. They have their mistakes. Mm-hmm. They commit their mistakes. We will not be elect angels and can put them for there. But at least for the fact that the world, all diplomatic moves, all other people, they don't know the IG. Mm-hmm. I would prefer, say, make any man is sink in individual thing. We will do all that thing for Boya. Mm-hmm. But make any man is sink in this his own impression and everything, not talk about any other government. Because it is conscious, if after you talk so, and if after we don't insist, if any other person continue, we think, when are you here, one day the boss, hey, I can do this, and you are so called IG, we'll be surprised. If the IG at this stage not reach a level will reach, no individual, be it Maurice or AGC or whatever, it not will be reached.
Exactly.
It will be treated as
and bro, just one, Mark cut you short. Just so that they know. You know, some about 2 or 3 countries they don't for vet for recognize you before they arrest Sissoko. So and yes, you know, one of the reasons now when I see Bia no say Bia game, be no say when you take out the IG, you don't solve 90% of the problem. This struggle remain at 10% for collapse. So for we for come back, now forget that one unified body. If IG not be of important, Bia not will spend so much on intelligence for arrest 12 for the one time for kill the government. So people they never look that fact say it be been a La Republic the biggest problem. Now why they arrest IG? So anybody join, if you watch this show from the beginning, because it be very interesting, you share them, me all man get them widely because we don't talk about 11 February, we talk about UN and all whatnot. We talk about the protests for DC where they come up today. So, bro, go ahead.
Right. So, and then another thing, like we talk about that XXL, I want just for talk say, if anybody no get information, because any man check say, if you just talk.
That's the point.
I listen to, not be all man get for talk. And if we see some powerful point and they will you the maker, Mark the maker, some people they do the maker, we're supposed to rally for back that point and then we make those points trending. Mm-hmm. We get for no say nowadays when something they be trending, people they pay attention. They
exactly.
On Twitter, on Facebook, and you talk so some people they just treat them lightly. But we try for at least put our own opinion. We see some opinion where you don't start to be viral, we make a maybe trending, and then they will pay attention there. Just some small, we get love for top the man over.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. More leave am don't pass the come then that this thing come up soon. So okay, more go. I think our last call. I not take no call again. Thank you so much. I will just round up for people the way they just come now for 5 minutes and I close the show. Before I become on live, I will talk about this protest where they come up in 1 hour for 11 o'clock. That's 11 a.m. now for Washington D.C. Say all my way there for the Washington D.C. Area. Please, I not take no call again. I beg. We don't run. I want you to read now this announcement. It will be very important because the protest. I want me all man go the protest. I not go probably be there because I get interview with the acting interim president just coming up shortly. The protest come from this thing come from Dr. Nick Santos, when a spokesperson for IG for the Washington D.C., Maryland, and Virginia area. I'm not taking no more calls, please. They talk say they protest today for 11 a.m. for all my stay around this area, the Washington D.C., Maryland, Virginia area, 11 a.m. and the venue na 2349 Massachusetts Avenue, Northwest Washington D.C. 2349 Massachusetts Avenue. So now the place away that event there for take place, that protest today. So all man will find himself go there. You know, for people the way they find my WhatsApp number for ask any question, you go for my wall now +237 678688383. If you go for my wall, any of my last post, then you'll surely see. And if you not see the most recent post will announce the show, you go for the next one. So for now on, I come in. If you watch the show from the beginning, we said a lot of important things. Yeah, that's this avenue. Put Northwest DC, please, because this again Northeast and Northwest. So put Northwest DC. So for now, I come in now. We don't talk a lot about. So no one, me, I not support any new government, but I support the Revolt Conference. But I support, are they against any new government because it will cause you a lot of separation. I talk about say, we will not report anything using XX because XX not exists for any international or local documentation, and it need even help for getting information for neighboring villages and for secure themselves. This is something that happen for Kembong. You get for reporting at Kembong. So that person for Bisonga Bank, for Ewele, person for Gomoko, me not community can Kembong can enter for shock. So XX not be correct. Unfortunately, some people don't know copy and when a very bad thing, they feel sometimes the right thing. You know, not to know about security because anything happen for some place before it won't be 5 or 10 minutes. La Republic must don't know. Some person with that very big, they go still call a Republic man, tell you, so forget about issue about security. So sometimes the way they comment for Facebook, come for the professional, right? Ask Mr. Takobe, why you use people they use X, that's why you use one. I don't explain what put and I don't understand. So I do live shows, so me all understand. If you just come in, if you go back go watch and make sure you share viral, we'll talk about UN, where UN just come on Manfi. If they Manfi stay Ezio, they panic, they beg me, they go bring put them back. I will still do a write up on that. Well, my number +237 678 8383, and we'll get a very large WhatsApp family, the National Telegram WhatsApp family. We'll put all man there. If you want to be on that WhatsApp group, you send in your number, you introduce yourself, I will put you there, my number and a Cameroon number, and I'll put you on that WhatsApp group and I'll give you the rules. And because of that WhatsApp group, you need post nothing there, you need write nothing, you need to comment, you only receive the news because the type of cut down for put the irrelevant messages. So they put all of that thing together. So thank you very much. If you just join in, you go watch back this show, you share them extensively. I will go now because of a lot of activity today. Don't forget, Don Pasho, they come up with another very important show. So we'll stay tuned. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend. And remain blessed forever.